Let's have a quick look at the setup for the Snake Game project. It consists of Arduino Uno Rev 3 board, a 16 by 2 character LCD controllable by I2C communication, connecting wires, USB-A to USB-B cable, Arduino ID and link to the source code. The LCD display is I2C bus controlled and needs plus 5 volts and ground connection. SCL is connected to A5, SDA connected to A4, and plus 5 volts and ground connections are connected to respective pins on Arduino. Let's connect this LCD to Arduino Uno board. Let's double check all connections. Connections are color coded for convenience. We shall now download the source code from TechTrain 101 GitHub repository. This link shall be shared in the description. Once downloaded to local drive, click and open the Arduino IDE. Let's analyze the source code. I have already changed it to 500 from 1000 milliseconds, but you may change the initial gameplay speed by updating this variable. This section is serial commands, which are received via serial events. You may notice I have included command P, which allows you to restart the game. Beauty of serial commands is, it makes the game very flexible and open to easy updates. We are ready to play now. You shall need a serial terminal application such as PuTTY. Close the Arduino IDE and establish serial communication with COM port using 9600 baud rate. WASD keys are used for gameplay. I have captured the gameplay as well as serial terminal output to give you some understanding of the code logic. This Snake Game modification is not only interesting, but it has learning and value-adding components. It teaches you how to use serial events in your Arduino program and how to introduce serial events in an existing program. This is the gameplay of my highest score 17, which is achieved using keyboard control. Let's see how much you can score. Your support is vital. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.